Good evening. A country show in my book with no rain is definitely a win-win. I'm a glass half full kind of person, and our week's not been too bad, has it? Good deal of dry weather, good deal of usable weather, but for many, once again, it's been quite grey and gloomy. We could have done with a bit more summer sunshine, but we have had some out to the west. An absolutely glorious week for many. And in actual fact, Wednesday, in parts of Scotland in Time Drum, we had a high of 27.2 Celsius, 81 Fahrenheit. It was the warmest August day. Now, for this month. Now, in actual fact, we close out the month of August, and that's meteorological summer goodbye. And it's going to raise an eyebrow or two, the statistics, when we start to calculate them, because it does actually look as though the summer is actually just slightly warmer than average, particularly for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But yes, it's been a bit grey, gloomy and wetter than average in the southeast. Take a look at these charts because it explains the story quite nicely. The yellow colours is above average sunshine for the summer months from June to the end of August. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northwest England, not bad. It has been a little grey and gloomy, hasn't it, down to the south and east with below average sunshine. And in actual fact, we've seen slightly above average rainfall as well for these summer months. But just look how dry it's been elsewhere. So it really is going to be quite a mixed review, I suspect, summer 2021. And actually, we're going to close out the month of August and start the month of September on a similar kind of story. A lot of dry weather around, but it will be pretty cloudy once again. And those temperatures maybe a little bit disappointing, around average or slightly below. So the high pressure is still with us. It's a blocking high. It's preventing any weather fronts coming anywhere near us, not only for the next couple of days, but for right throughout the week. So quite a lot of cloud around on Monday, spilling in off the North Sea, thick enough the odd spot or two of drizzle as well. Western areas could see a little bit of brightness, but not quite as much as recent days. And so temperatures will be a little bit more subdued. We're looking at highs of 14 to 20 degrees. That's a maximum of 68 Fahrenheit. There's that high pressure with us. Still the winds coming round a clockwise direction, pushing that cloud in, and more isobars down to the south. So always a bit more of a nuisance coolish breeze here. So again, it could be quite cool and grey at times with any breaks in the cloud, any sunshine coming through out to the west. And those temperatures, again, perhaps still only peaking into the high teens. Now, as we move out of Tuesday into Wednesday, subtle differences. The position of the high just alters a little, and that means potential for a bit more sunshine into Scotland and Northern Ireland in particular. But again, it's going to be a dry story, and that's good news for starting to bring in the harvest, certainly. And it means good news for planning if you've got outdoor activities to take part in. 14 to 19 Celsius, once again, the expected high through the middle part of the week. But as we move into Thursday, it looks likely that we could once again see more in the way of sunshine across to Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northwest England. Similar story once again as we move towards the end of the week, Friday into Saturday. Not that much in the way of rain around. You're going to start to be going, when are we going to get to see some rain, Lou? Well, it does look as though there is the potential for the high pressure to drift off into Scandinavia. We could see some rain threatening from the southwest by Sunday. Good night.